Each child has a gift. It may not be singing, it may not be playing a piano, but each child has something within them that's uniquely theirs, that the world needs. What music does, it says it's okay. It's okay to fly. It's okay to spread your wings and don't wait on someone to validate you. I mean, you know, you can be many things, but a parking ticket's not one of them. You don't need to be validated by someone saying you good. You can do something because you have rhythm or your heart would not be beating. You need to embrace that which is in you that only you can give. Embrace things that help with your emotions sometimes when you may be sad. Well, pick up a drumstick. I don't have a drumstick, Miss Kim. Drum on a chair. Okay, Miss Kim, my mom will get agitated. Go in your room and drum on a chair and sing. You can sing. You don't have to be on key. They can't come in this class and leave and not have had a workout. They will have a workout.